What is .NET Core? .NET Core is a modern, unified, open-source, and cross-platform development platform developed by Microsoft. It is used to build modern applications that are fast, secure, scalable, and reliable. Unlike the older .NET framework, which mainly worked on Windows, .NET Core is designed to run on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, making it suitable for today's multi-platform and cloud-based environments. .NET Core allows developers to use a single platform to create different types of applications such as web applications, cloud services, mobile apps, desktop software, Internet of Things, IoT solutions, artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML applications, and even games. Because of its flexibility and performance, .NET Core is widely used in modern software development. Definition of .NET Core. .NET Core is a free, cross-platform, open-source developer platform used for building modern applications. Free means anyone can use it without cost. Cross-platform means it works on multiple operating systems. Open source means its source code is publicly available and maintained by Microsoft and the global developer community. Cross-platform. One of the most important features of .NET Core is cross-platform support. Applications built using .NET Core can run on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS.
Développer ou write the code on and run it everywhere without modification.
This reduces development time, lowers cost, and makes applications easier to deploy on cloud servers and different environments. Multi-language support. .NET Core supports multiple programming languages such as C#, F#, and Visual Basic, VB. Developers can choose the language based on their skills or project needs. All these languages work on the same runtime, called the Common Language Runtime, CLR, which allows them to interact with each other smoothly. This makes teamwork and code reuse easier. High performance. .NET Core is designed for high performance. It uses optimized runtime execution, efficient memory management, and modern programming techniques such as asynchronous processing. Because of this, applications built with .NET Core are fast, scalable, and capable of handling high user traffic. It is commonly used for web APIs, microservices, and enterprise-level applications. Unified ecosystem. .NET Core provides a unified ecosystem, meaning developers can build many types of applications using one platform and shared libraries. With .NET Core, you can develop cloud and web applications, mobile applications, desktop applications, IoT applications, AI and machine learning solutions, games. This reduces the need to learn multiple frameworks and increases productivity.